Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basic. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for XcelPay. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open XcelPay Wallet application on your device. If you don't have the app yet downloaded on your device, simply go visit your App Store or your Play Store and download it first. Once you've got the application, tap on Get Started and go through the instructions on the display. Tap the arrow facing at the bottom right in order to get to this XcelPay setup page. To create a new wallet, tap on the New Wallet option at the bottom left and then enter a name for your wallet in the text box. Remember to use 3 or more characters in your wallet's name with no special characters in it. Once you give a wallet a name, tap on Next at the bottom and go through the information that pops up on the display. In the next page, you will be able to reveal your seed phrases. Remember to keep your seed phrases somewhere else safe and private, and make sure no one gets hold of your seed phrases. Tap on I understand at the bottom and you will then see your 12-word seed phrases displayed on the screen. Simply copy your seed phrases and paste it in a secure folder. Make sure to note down all of your secret phrases or your seed phrases in a correct order as shown on the display. After you've backed up your seed phrases, check on these 2 boxes at the bottom and tap on Create My Wallet and wait for a few seconds. Now you will need to create a new PIN, which will be used to log into your wallet next time. Go ahead and enter the PIN, which will be easier for you to remember, and re-enter the PIN one more time. If you want to enable biometrics for login, tap on Yes. If not, tap on No. Soon after you've set up your PIN, you will be able to create a new account for XcelPay. Now you can use your XcelPay wallet account to send, receive, and trade cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button and also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.